Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be unboxing this Samsung 32-inch curved monitor. Let's get right to this. So, here we go. Hope you can still see this, still in the camera shot. I'm going to cut the box open here. Guess we're done with those. Okay, so looks like our power supply. Put that over there. HDMI cables. Well, the rest of the power supply. We have our heavy duty legs too. We won't need those because I bought a wall mount. Instructions, little clips of some kind. Now, okay, here we go. There we have it. Okay, now we're going to put the mounting bracket on it, and we'll mount it and show you how it looks. And as you can see, the new monitor is working just fine. If this video was any help to you, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button so you'll be notified of future videos. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.